Righto guys, g'day. Today we're in, where are we? We're in Beaulieu-sur-Mer, which literally translates to beautiful place on the sea, something like that.
Now, I've never been here before, so honestly, I don't know what to expect. But I have heard rumours that there's a pink mansion hidden somewhere up on the hill. Let's see if we can't track it down without getting lost this time. Mate, being an Aussie, I can never say no to the beach.
They will come, they will come. Like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be. Everything.
Alrighty, so after that short detour, because I couldn't help myself but go check out the beach, we're on the road to the Villa Ephrussi, which is originally owned by the Rothschilds. I think it still is, to be honest. But it's this massive pink mansion, so we got to go check that out. And I've been told that this path that we're on right now is the good path. It's going to get us there. So let's go.
Take a look at the Mediterranean Sea. It's bloody beautiful. Honestly, it's like this all the way along the south coast of France. Check out this massive house, mate. Someone actually lives in that. Yeah, I reckon he gets it fit nicely in one of those garages. Guys, look. We're on the right track. I simply have to know what lies beyond this gate.
Righto, so my first impressions of Beaulieu-sur-Mer. This place is absolutely gorgeous. Basically, I'm walking around here and I'm overwhelmed by the sheer amount of things that I want to film. Yeah, I mean, the original plan was just to head to the mansion and check that out, but this place is gorgeous. So yeah, we're getting there, but slowly.
Mate, I can't even go 2 meters without finding something else that's interesting me. I mean, just check out this house. It's ridiculous. Look at all of those vines growing all over the walls. It looks so cool. Those steps are made out of marble. Everything just looks so expensive. We got to keep on going, otherwise we're never going to find this mansion.
Right, so I'm pretty sure this thing's at the top of a hill and I am climbing. No way, you're never gonna believe it. Have I just hit a dead end? Classic. Yeah, pretty sure I did, eh? Oh well, back down we go. Righto guys, I've been walking for absolutely yonks. I've been given a few bad directions. Maybe it's my bad because I don't really speak French too well. I see the sign for Villa Ephrussi de Rothschild. I think that's how you say it. So we finally made it, yes.
We've got our ticket and our map, so we can't get lost.
We made it inside, and I gotta tell ya, the first thing that you notice about this place is the incredible views. I mean, check this out.
Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime, overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be F-E-A-R-L-E-S-S. Fearless. Once I get in and I put it in drive, ain't no more stopping me, don't even try. Controlling the chaos, controlling the vibe. Yeah. It's all the shots that you don't say. You'll never be heard if you don't say. Just gotta get out your own way. You can't learn to fly on your own if you don't let go. Step out of the shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be F-E-A-R-L-E-S-S. Fearless.
Mate, this place is really effing fancy. I feel like I'm not even supposed to be in here. Seriously, I'm just waiting for someone to tap me on the shoulder and say, buddy, time to leave. Until then, I'm just going to enjoy it.
Whoa. What is this? The birds and plates room in yellow. Man, sometimes rich people are a bit strange.
Wow. What a view. We need to go down there.
Bring me into golden sunlight.
Boy, oh boy, this place is absolutely amazing. It's incredible. I don't know what I would do if I was this rich, you know? I guess it's not something that I've ever had to worry about, really. But wow, it's incredible.
Like a wildfire.
Righto guys, well I think that's going to be the end of our tour today. I am absolutely cream crackered. Man, just check this out. Oh my god.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going
Well, righto guys, that was Villa Ephrussi de Rothschild, something like that. If you liked it, yeah, hit the like button. If you didn't, well, and we'll catch you on the next one.
And no matter where you are in the world, someone is thinking of you. Be good to yourself and each other.